Hey there, salon owners. If you're here, I know you're someone who is serious about taking your salon and your life to the next level. I've got some exciting things to share with you today. If you love the tips and strategies we talk about in this podcast, I've created something that will take your journey to the next level. A weekly email series packed with actionable business tips designed specifically for salon owners. These emails are like your personal coach showing up in your inbox every week with the exact steps you need to level up your business. From tracking metrics that matter most to creating systems that simplify your life, I'll walk you through the strategies that have helped countless salon owners, including me, growing a thriving business. Here's how you subscribe. It's super easy to join. Just head to www.opulentbeautypro.com and sign up for free. That's right, it's free. One tip every week, straight to your inbox, no strings attached. And as we speak of growth, for those of you ready to go all in, let me tell you about the Salon Owner Blueprint program. This is the ultimate roadmap for salon owners looking to scale their business, lead with confidence, and hit those big revenue goals. It's packed with strategies to help you master your finances, grow your team, and attract the dream clients who fuel your vision. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your systems, this program will give you everything you need to thrive. Want to learn more? Visit www.opulentbeautypro.com/blueprint and take the first step towards your next breakthrough. I also want to give a quick shout out to our exclusive podcast subscription. This is where you dive even deeper into the topics we touch on here. As a subscriber, you'll get bonus episodes, behind the scene content, the insider access to my personal strategies for growing a successful salon business. For just $7.99 a month, you'll get unparalleled insights that you can start using immediately to see results. It's like having a business coach in your pocket. So here's what I want you to do. Subscribe to my weekly email list at www.opulentbeautypro.com. Check out the Salon Owner Blueprint program if you are ready to make big moves. And don't forget to subscribe to the Elevate Insider for exclusive game-changing content. Remember, success is in your hands, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Hello and welcome to the Elevate podcast. I'm your host, Patricia Nowakowski. I am a salon owner, educator, mindset, and leadership coach that helps salon owners go from overwhelmed and burnt out to motivated and empowered. It is my mission to help you systemize your business, generate more profit, and create a career that you are absolutely in love with. Join us every week to learn about the small shifts you can make to elevate your business regarding mindset, marketing, social media, business systems, and so much more. Hello, and welcome to this week's episode of the Elevate podcast. I'm your host, Patricia Nowakowski, and today we're going to dive into one of the most strategic aspects of running my salon, and that's how we book clients. If you think booking is just about filling the time slots in your schedule, think again. We are so strategic with how we book clients in my salon for a few reasons. One, I want to make sure that we retain the clients, and I want to make sure the clients have the best experience possible in my salon. But also, I want to make sure that my team has an amazing day too when it comes to their day-to-day and what clients they take in our business. When I was in a commission salon, they would literally throw anything in our schedule if it fit. If you had an open slot and a client called, like perms and even things that we didn't know how to do. If I didn't know how to do, let's just say like a shorter cut, they would just throw it in our schedule no matter what, because it was about getting the client in with whoever, whenever, just to make the dollar. And I definitely do not do that inside of my salon. Booking the right client with the right stylist is definitely an art. And it's about knowing your team's strengths, their personalities, and ensuring that every client gets an experience that keeps them coming back. So in today's episode, I'm going to break down exactly how we match clients to stylists to boost retention, elevate the client experience, and create a salon culture that works for everyone. So let's get started. The way we book clients is so intentional inside of my salon. It's not about availability, it's about compatibility. And here's why this matters. One, it's going to boost your retention. When clients are placed with a stylist who fits their needs and personality, they're more likely to rebook and become a long-term client, which is what we want. Our whole job and our whole mission as a salon owner is to create a repeat guest. And when we create a repeat guest, that usually doesn't happen by accident. That happens with strategy. It's also going to increase your stylist confidence. As I said, at my commission salon, they literally would throw everything in our books. And I sucked when I first went on the floor. I did not know how to do anything. They didn't really have a great training program. And at this time, I really hadn't dove into education. So they would put things in my schedule like perms and all of these random clients that no one else wanted to take. And it literally defeated me. It made me want to not do hair. So when we're strategically placing clients with things that my stylist can handle, yet still challenge them, it makes the stylist feel more secure in what they're doing. So when stylists are working with clients they connect with, they perform better, they feel more fulfilled, and they are more engaged with their work. We have so many phone calls. If you do not have a phone for your salon, this one coaching company I used to work for, they were so dumb. They told people that they shouldn't have a salon phone and that they should do everything via email or text message. And that is the stupidest thing you could ever do for your business. And the reason why is we gain so much knowledge about clients coming into our business when we talk to them over the phone. We can gauge their personality, how serious they are, if they have anxiety about coming in, and that really does help us strategically place them with our stylists. Sometimes we can even get a gauge of their sense of humor. So when we are answering the phone and we're talking to these clients, creating this connection with them over the phone, my manager and I do a really good job in placing the clients with who we think is best. Also, when we have clients that book online and leave us notes for what they want or things that they're interested in getting, if they book with the wrong person, we move that person. If they seem like they are overly particular in the note that they leave on the online booking or when they're calling, we have a stylist for that. So really getting to know the clients that are coming into your business and paying attention to as many as you can so you can move them around if necessary is crucial to creating long-term retention. This also reduces salon drama. So by placing clients with the right stylist from the start, we avoid unnecessary conflicts, tension, mismatched expectations, and of course, the dreaded hair adjustment or redo. This is something that has changed my business. We really try so hard to understand my team on a dynamic level to make sure that we're placing the right clients with them. So if you did not listen to my previous episode about one-on-ones, you need to go back and listen. This is something else that I do in my one-on-one meetings, or why I have my one-on-one meetings, because I can understand where my team is at with services, what they want to do. I have one stylist who likes doing extensions, but just doesn't want to deal with high maintenance extension clients, right? And she told me this during our one-on-one meeting. So whenever someone books, or I know somebody that is getting extensions, or I've gotten a client, I get a lot of extension clients from the gym or just from my social media, people that I've known in the past. And I know what extension clients will be a good experience for her and the ones that won't, because I want her to continue doing extensions, even though I know they're not her favorite. She is the best at them. Best installation I've ever had. She's so good. So I want to make sure that she continues to enjoy the service by putting the right people with her. And this is why it's important to do your one-on-one meetings and why it's important to understand the clients coming into your business. So if you're running a salon, I challenge you to take a closer look at how you book clients. Again, this is also why it's so important as an owner to be more present in your business and not be stuck behind your chair, only focused on your clients. This is another reason why your salon will make more money when you decide to step away and do less hair, because you can focus on things like this that will make your business more money and retain more clients. I need you to ask yourself, are you just filling your schedule, or are you truly matching clients to the stylist in a way that maximizes your success? Remember, the key to retention isn't just great hair, it's great relationships. When clients feel understood, valued, and matched with the right stylist, they'll keep coming back. If you loved today's episode, be sure to subscribe to the Elevate Insider. Please leave a review. You have no idea. I read each and every one. It keeps me going. It makes me feel that the time I'm spending on this podcast is really making a difference. If you haven't taken a moment to leave a review, I would greatly appreciate that. And please share this with your favorite salon owner bestie who also will benefit from the information shared. Until next time, keep leading, keep growing, and keep elevating. See you in the next episode. Thanks for tuning in to the Elevate podcast. If you loved this episode, it would mean the world to me if you would leave a review on Apple Podcast or wherever you listen. The Elevate podcast is hosted by me, Patricia Nowakowski, and is produced by Opulent Beauty Pro. To receive my free business guides, visit opulentbeautypro.com/free or click the link in the show notes. You can find me on Instagram at Opulent Beauty Pro or at Patricia_Nowakowski_OBS. If you love this show, please consider subscribing, and we will see you next week.